Welcome to Curvy Nova 2.0. Today we introduce Brit Manuelaa, an American fashion and fitness model, Instagram personality, YouTuber, and rising digital influencer who has built a global following through her confident style and visually striking content. Her modeling career expanded quickly, gaining attention for her bold photos and professional work with Wilhelmina models. In 2017, she reached a major milestone when she appeared on the cover of KIKQ Australia magazine. Born on January 27, 1994, in California, USA, Manuelaa grew up with her family and developed an interest in modeling while still in high school. Inspired to pursue creativity, she later completed a fine arts degree at a local university. Standing about 5 feet 7 inches and weighing roughly 57 kilograms, she is admired for her toned physique, vibrant presence, and inspiring confidence. Today, Brit Manuelaa's audience continues to expand, with her combined social media reach surpassing 5.2 million followers. Her work in fashion, fitness, and digital media embodies the strength and self-expression that define Curvy Nova 2.0.